This video is about pop-on veneers. Alright, so quick review, at least make it quick as possible. So when I got these, they send you three molding, I don't know what you call it, like I don't know. They send you three sets when you do your molds, right? So I did top and bottom. Now, I found out about them on Instagram, and it took me a while to make my decision. I was like, So it probably took me about 6 months to actually decide if I want to get these. So I decided I wanted to get them. I got the impression, that's what I think they called it. I got the impression kits in the mail, and I messed up. So you get 3 tries. I messed up all 3. Here's why. When I was looking at one of the reviews, they'd be like, oh, you gotta do it so quick, you gotta hurry. You gotta do it real fast, because you have... Listen. Don't listen to them. Take your time when you're doing it. Take the white, the blue, take your time. Now, don't take forever, because it will harden up, but the way they make it seem like you got 20 seconds, that's not true. It's not true. Take your time, mix it right. Make sure it's aligned appropriately, the molding, that is aligned appropriately in the tray. Put it in your mouth. Also, I forgot to tell y'all, they sent me an email back stating that my mouth was too big for the original tray. So that was one of the issues. So they sent back another set of 3 top, 3 bottom for free too. I appreciate y'all for that, for pop-on veneers. Thank you. So they sent them back. I put them in. I nailed it. They sent it back, and here they go. So if you look, let me show you my smile. All right, that's a smile. So one of the issues is I have triple crowding. Okay, it's 3 crowded on the bottom, and then they're terribly stained. So I know y'all like, well, why didn't you go to the dentist? Well, I did go to the dentist, not once, not twice. I went to the dentist several times. Only thing they were doing was just cleaning. They were cleaning the teeth. They were interested in replacing ones that you couldn't see. I got 1 or 2 back there. You know, they took away the wisdom, and then there's 1 here. I'm like, no, what about the ones in the front? I wanted to take them out. They didn't want to take them out. I wanted to take them out and replace them. Now, they also got veneers. Those cost generally between like $2,000 and $3,000 per tooth. I kind of think that price is a little cheaper that I was looking at. So they could cost a lot more than that. Who has that type of money? Let's be real. Who has that type of money? So here they go. And the way they do it is this is basically a copy, even with the triangle crowding. All right, it's just white. These are natural white too. So you got natural white. You got I think it's called Hollywood white. So natural white, Hollywood white, and then you got mature white. So this is the bottom. This is the top. And I felt real comfortable. I knew that they was going to nail this. I just didn't know what was going to happen with the bottom. So here we go. Let me put these in. Snap them in on the bottom. You're supposed to hear them click. I don't hear them click, but that's cool. They're in now. See? They're in. You have a little lisp. Don't know how long it's gonna last, but they emailed and said that sing your favorite song in the shower is gonna go away, and I like them. And not only do I like them, I love them.